Meje county ya Siaya. Netinga tuwaigo abari mu inseke umbegia kupet bagenderete no mu giroho oyo seberi tukoria gatano tinga tubagenderete kwe murunganiria aho gutekeraniwa kwa maganyabo na muno kumachia ekyumbekere ya Teacher Service Commission ase okubaumbia skiri baterera tibakwirana mirimo ko ikamaganya babere ka bategererwa nabaigo boikiranwa ukwari na semesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano nebere ngumanye unanara yana kwariganire asentera ere yobwenge gendera tunara sesemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asesemo ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News na wegasi website ito abo usanga mwana wetera www.ndizitv.net eyo togendre busanga asugwamo. Everlyne Osero uria tokuwatira naso kwene kechibichanerio gicha wikiri nigakurokwa de musengo kwariga nove ko busanga amona nchi wikomario Amayia Chinsa Isano nebera sobenge toko ya chaka sumurayese Dr. William Samuel Ruto agendrete ko bariera ava 90 chira chowekania emeroberio au ya magendro na wigo bosira sector au asokwene kiabuna ense ya Kenya yabereke waka egetambukiro okwana boli kureba magoroba assess county ya Kisumu amona banachikura sesemeyo utandira betera kwene kiabuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza babiri bakweke emerobero mikanu yogosira ensemo yoburendi arina sokwene kiabuna abo bisabo burendi babiri bakwewa yaganire no bacimo kinyororo achobekirania obo koreri bwabo asentera ebwenrete tiga sesemo yende haberega kwenekya asesemo yechigosori bo igonchi chegosiro kegima arina sokwene kiabuna aba bosori bonse babiri bakwewa libagarisa ine nabego okosira korengaine asogokinya mangana yechigosori ase ya Kenya okwana boigondo tonigo aberega kwenekya abuna umorobero bwo kinyachi semi ni gore asama bokabo asaine kirebo chia kwenekya bari mubosi babere bakurikwa ne babarase amayi amokere se internship babere bakurikwa asobokora umuchando bwokya kwa borokya ase chiskuru egatiye meroberio ende menge tinga kelenda tayunekirenga kyayo no murayibese ya Kenya no kwenekya buna abakenya bonse babere bakubwataniwa ase okoreta amagendreme ya Kenya.
We are doing three things to improve the terms of service of our policemen and women. Number one, we have now a new terms structure. Even their salaries, we have enhanced their salaries from the beginning of July this year to make sure that our policemen and women have adequate compensation for them to be able to deliver the service that they are doing to Kenya. We will treat all our sportsmen and women equally. Kama vile tunachunga wale wanaenda kufanya kukimbia, kama vile tunachunga wale wanaenda kufanya sports, pia tumeambia wizara ambaye inahusika na mambo ya sports, our people with disability should not be treated differently because they are equally Kenyans and they are sports people like the rest. It is true that we have interns as teachers. And let me explain why we decided to go the route of interns. We have a very serious problem of shortage of teachers. All the 46,000 teachers that were interns, I am going to confirm them in the next 2 months. The process, we have given the money for their confirmation. Now Teacher Service Commission is working on the process to confirm all of them. And I want to thank them. Vile tumekubaliana hapa. Siasa ambayo tutacheza ni siasa ya kuunganisha Wakenya wote. Na sisi wote vile tumeongea hapa, tumeongea mambo ambayo yanatuhusu kama Wakenya. Kama ni ya disability, kama ni ya food security, kama ni ya taxes, kama ni ya how to move the country forward. We've all talked as the people of Kenya because we are in one country, we have a common destiny, and our unity is going to determine how we...
Nechingakia abarimu ise kiombe gya kupet bagenderetie n'umugirogo imeyese ya Kenya nige serikali yaburiwe koira ebitambukiro na kubeka okobwatana n'ekiombe kyo gya kupet rugo tuguterare omugiro yo korengana negati y'ababwatani nigo babere bakwerera egati y'amakomwa y'abayibori n'abakiwa bagenderete gwetera achinga kichi skuru achigenderete n'etamu ya gatatu korengana ne kalenda y'amasomo y'umwaka 2024 nigo baigo bake mochirie kiombe gya Teacher Service Commission ase ogotai taberana na okoigwano kuba bete bakubeka n'abarimu ase kiria baganirie seme yebege kurireria magania yo nakuyekirania elyo kuba abarimu chinga kinyororo kwirana asobokorerwabo
institutions chiae ntobwate very key sectors chie society eserikali tabwante gukorera gosori munase kisemi na mangana ya health ekogera konyora bone megomeye ibuna yaba funzi. It is affecting the future yaba naba nebintu kange serikali eko mitigate mapema to ensure that inga abalimu mbale gasi egento turage tugetorete bone gasi enseito bali bago kore emere maskini institution yachiga ntobwate what we call co empower the personnel omwalimu no muntu bwengenjo asengenjo nero kogerekia abantu abangitule lakini kwa nyoranga motivation yeli atakere kwa colleagues ya nomuki elindo we have quality education there.
And that was a policy made by a Teacher Service Commission saying that teachers need to be promoted, teachers need to get the medical allowance and other allowances, and that one was made a policy. Me, what I'm saying here, the TSC is trying to become a police person policing the policy, which is against the law. Another thing which I can only say is the TSC cannot use the court to hear the scores which TSC had made. The law only said the union has to be given a temporary injunction.
Serikali ya temire tuarorire nga kibesa yasoire bengi lakini ora kabesa kalina gantaga sinini igentongira wekenene batigete isiko wosukia abarimu baria ebiro gake abarimu baromanyeta basani bana twena wi university abwate PhD in education, masters, bachelors, diploma.
Tinga tokomentkana wo kwa mkirwa kwa marore yechingecho kugenderete koene kiwa aneneme yorobonkorwa Gusii gobono abamenyi burosorogonkorwa Gusii bagenderete kuborwa bunangwe koene kiwa bunangwe sokya bare elio kwenyorera oburinkore nabo igo obuwenya bwagenkyo bokwana Dr. Henry oyo oromanyi bubuwene wetera Mariogo yemeteni gaberega kwerera obyobororo kubwatkana n'ubutumeki bwa Mariogo ayu akorosi wa wetera asemete asataire kuna Amarioga yuni bakufanya kurwaria amarore chingecho anonye nari asinyire kurwariwa asechinyegitari
nigongo te abantu baitu mu Gusii asabita igoro nga inki kegenderete mono asoro kongoruito rwa Gusii moruira chire ayandara mange amakuba maberera le chinyomba nyonye no bokungu binjara borororo maruira yanyale kobaga kogenda koiwete wango iganga maruira na kitakubwata akwiyagi umubere umuntu bimba ngobusisa maruira yonsi pi ekara tukunya rudigereria kolengana moneli ire liganda tukunya ko bali go chenje eligo toro kinga omoerio wo wienseyo orange mona yakugara gente ke muge kwanire nga maruira ngo cyo chalenge wono ko tebya baminto asengencho nyasaya rweto bungaine mona kisemi ko cyasekera Chinsa tuanyorera aba science bakunyara kwa bago pima maruira ao wono ko batebya nganyo ndiri mwarenge wanja ekeremu arorire obakorera gwakira asenka abana bakorera gose babwate liberera litari kumanyekana buya otariko no mutu wati bamenyo kibunya gitari bapimwe kera bapimirwe bamanyekane nga muchando ki ntipye tade bocha asimu mwana bwate gose neke uno kie bisire ime kiragere omwana areto muchando o COVID-19 ekine kamo kiabo tokuba umisa elinde munyale karimwa pimirwe wagacha bo Medicine Society of Kenya nebwata malio Amayia mono akunyara kwabaga konya abantu yemete ejyo abagusii bagatumikire kurukale elinde banyaka babako bwena lakini nyuma yake kwa lengiru nande kwa manyekane kabisa nga umuchando bwata na waro
Nitkoria rero nigoria swali tkoria gatano ry'umubiro bw'abarimu abo barese ekyombe gya kupe singa kibagenderete gukora okurobekana stisemo ao bakwengurunganiria ugutekerani wa kwamagania abo kuregana no kuiwana uko babete bakubeka nigo abantu abo kurwa Chinsa ao gatia be county ya Isano county ya Elgeyo Marakwet gatia county chine bagenderete mnonya nabo kumochia ekyombe keria Teacher Service Commission ase bamuganiti muteneri w'ekyombe kyonans masharia kurwabisi ase bakumochia kubatkana nobo koreri borobo be chinga kichoni ngabateneri kurwase ekyombe kyo gya kupet abagenderete kuburia serikali akwene kyumnango ikiranyira amagania abo gusonya amagania yo gusonya taribo nigo barachiye gukora umugiro goika chinga kibarabe bagotegererwa.
We cannot listen to anybody. Even when the president says that the strike is off, we are not going to listen. Yes. The only body which empowers the union is the National Governing Council, which will give direction to this country, to these teachers of this.
Teachers Service Commission is the poorest employer in this country. Na tutaki mchezo raundi. Uwezi niambia our medical cover, which was 22 billion, the government can reduce this medical cover to 11 billion when the employer is watching. Tunasema Nancy Macharia must go. Tumesema Nancy Macharia must go. Na si tafadhali.
I want to say TSC should behave. Mwalimu ni graduate. We are all graduates. Yes. The way other civil servants are being paid. Tunataka kula kuku kama wengine. Yes. Tunataka manyumba mazuri. Yes. Tunataka gari nzuri. Yes. Tuachwe kulipwa peanuts. Yes. We don't want peanuts. We say JSS to be confirmed. Yes. We say the CBA to be implemented. Yes.
As we are fighting for JSS teachers to be confirmed, the 46,000 JSS teachers, there were letters going round yesterday asking the same JSS teachers to confirm, to reapply, to renew a contract that was declared illegal the other day. Then the other day somebody declared our strike illegal and we are told to go back to school. Then we ask, is it only a court order for teachers and not a court order for any other person? Tungeomba rais aanze kuheshimu mkataba na sheria ya koti, walimu tutafuata.
I want to warn teachers themselves in the manner they want in this industrial action. They will make learning difficult in their various schools. The kind of noise that you find around schools will not make learning.
Nasensemo yendenigo avaorokia kurwase university ya Moi babirwa weso kana gukora ukurubikana asikiria bakoye mu serikali ya Kenya kwanza kubatkana nemeruberio etari mekirano yogosira gosira mirimo yabo asobokoreri ase university yonigo bakurubikana ase umuchendore asikiria bakoye murunganire mono ogo okunyorwa kwemesara yabo nabo igo obungenero bwabere boko baororo kubatkana noko bwatokwa nabo igo obutumiki bwechipesa ase university yo.
Asa pension ndio imetuuma sana kwa sababu kwa miaka mitatu sasa wenzetu ambao wamestaafu hawajapata pesa zao, wameenda nyumbani bila pesa. I saw even the VC Moi University was where the president was talking the other time about the new funding model. And they were saying that the funding model is working. If that funding model is working, why are you paying more university don't have salary? Why are you not remitting statutory deductions and other third-party deductions? We are saying as dons in this country, enough is enough.
Honorable Tioro na Rokne Tomorio Amayia, Chinsa Isano Nyamira Senchera, Erejubinge Kurende, Namange Tragendre, Wokwarga, Ainandora Kanyara Senchera, Yubinge, Chikoraga, Chinsa, Ikomi, Genda Quatimurions, Ndizi TV, Asesemoya Facebook, Otnerweta, Ndizi TV News Digital, Asesemoya YouTube, Ndizi TV News, Kaviga Sales Secretary at www.ndizitv.net, Edio Togendre, Bosanga, Navakomania, Nagendra Tervo, Kretana Ase, Chisno, Au. Iretrene Everlyne Osero, Idamosine Leone Kiachbichenerio Kicha Wikiri Asenchiabene, Kukubaneria, Overgere Gorovia Semirubiri Kuwate, Nawigomoso, Oromotere.